The second one says that their super SUV, which will be shipped from June 1, 2018, has been already personalized and comes with a Blue Astraeus exterior over a two-tone leather interior. It's also wearing 22-inch titanium matte alloy wheels and orange brake calipers, and is fitted with plenty of optional extras that should justify its price tag that's set at €341,530, $407,543. That's a huge markup for both vehicles, as the Urus has a base price of €171,429, $204,564, in Europe, £131,500, $176,679, in Britain and $200,000 in the United States. But in this market there are always customers who want to skip the waiting list and be among the first to own the latest and greatest. Both car dealers appear to be legit, as their homepages reveal a bunch of other vehicles that are for sale, from a Jaguar XF, to a Land Rover Discovery, and from an Audi R8 to a Ferrari 812 Superfast. One of them actually claims to have 4 Lamborghini Urus SUVs for sale, alongside 2 Bugatti Chirones, whereas the other will sell you a Ferrari Portofino, with shipping from mid-2018.